Conservation of the Botanical Gardens by Emily Sullivan, Jacob Duke, and Sabrina Vega.
What is the problem? It's the destruction, pollution, overcollection of plant species, invasive species, and a changing environment that are the main causes why plant species are being impacted. Without plants, the human race's chances of survival will dramatically decrease, as all other species on Earth will be impacted. Plants are the key to support all ecosystems on Earth. One potential solution to help plant diversity is the botanical gardens. They have the potential to provide food, medicine, shelter, clothing, and stability of ecosystems.
Why is conservation of the botanical gardens important? Extinction can happen anytime. We need to prepare for it. The botanical garden does research and influences stretch over many fields that people do not realize. It helps the environment and produces food and medicine. It also increases the knowledge and awareness to our community and the world. The botanical garden maintains genetic diversity through freezing seeds, tissue culture, and other methods. This garden allows plants to grow in better conditions, which increases the survival of the species. This case study shows the conservation strategies of cultural diversity in the botanical garden. Regularly maintaining the botanical garden is just not enough when it comes to the global strategy for plant conservation and the Convention on the Biological Diversity. The botanical garden needs to rely on communication and engaging the audience of what will happen if we let it continue without taking any action. Conservation of diversity. This article, through CropLife, is showing that botanists are trying to preserve diversity in these places in order to protect, restore, and promote sustainability managed forests and halt biodiversity loss. This is the website and link to the International Botanical Gardens. The Botanical Gardens is allowing more plants to be grown and produced to help eliminate distinction for some plants and cultivation. This is a little history of the Botanical Garden. Fun fact, there are now estimated to be over 1,775 botanical gardens in about 148 countries around the world, with many more under construction. This is the top 10 botanical gardens in the world, with number 1 being London Kew Gardens in the United Kingdom. Kew Royal is the largest botanical gardens in the world. It has a science department that generates evidence to enable monitoring, conservation, and evaluation on status of the world's plants and habitats they are comprised. They are comprised of 3 conservation departments. And this is our sources.